Did you know that you can improve your eye health with just a few simple drinks? Which foods make these drinks beneficial for our eyes? How do we prepare these drinks? And how do these drinks improve our eye health? Watch our video until the end to find the answers to all these questions and more valuable information. In today's video, we will discuss foods that maximize our eye health and delicious drinks we can prepare using these foods. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also, feel free to share your thoughts about the video in the comment section, as your feedback is valuable to us. Let's get started. Drinks that support eye health and improve vision. 1. Blueberry Smoothie. Blueberry smoothies are notable for their nutritional benefits that help maintain and improve vision health. Rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, they reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals, easing eye fatigue, and improving night vision. Blueberries also contain high amounts of vitamins C and E, which help protect eye tissues and support overall eye health. Research shows that regular consumption of blueberries reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. The recipe is simple. Blend a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 banana, a cup of milk or yogurt, and a teaspoon of honey until smooth. This smoothie is ideal for breakfast or as a snack. With regular consumption, you'll notice the benefits to your eye health and overall wellness. 2. Blackberry Smoothie. Blackberries are rich in nutrients that support eye health. Vitamins A, C, and E, along with anthocyanins, play a crucial role in maintaining eye health. Vitamin A is essential for retina health and preventing night blindness. Vitamin C fights oxidative stress in the eyes, potentially reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants in blackberries, protect retinal cells from oxidative damage and help maintain vision functions. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry highlights the effectiveness of anthocyanins in protecting retinal cells and preserving visual functions. The recipe is practical and delicious. Blend a cup of fresh or frozen blackberries, 1 banana, a cup of milk or yogurt, and a teaspoon of honey until smooth. Enjoy it for breakfast or as a snack, and over time, you'll feel the improvement in your vision. 3. Aai Berry Smoothie. Aai berry has gained popularity recently for its health benefits, particularly for eye health. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food shows that acai berry's antioxidant components can prevent cataract formation. The antioxidants in acai berries reduce damage to the eyes, and anthocyanins protect retinal cells, enhancing vision quality. To prepare an acai berry smoothie, blend frozen acai or acai powder, sliced banana, blueberries, strawberries, milk, yogurt, and optional sweeteners until smooth. Garnish with fresh mint leaves before serving. This nutritious drink supports eye health and provides energy. 4. Kiwi Juice. Kiwi Juice is a powerful drink for eye health. Its high vitamin C content strengthens eye muscles and reduces the risk of age-related eye diseases like cataracts. Kiwi also contains abundant lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support retina and macula health and improve vision quality. A 2023 study shows that the antioxidants in kiwi reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. To prepare kiwi juice, peel and chop 4 ripe kiwis and blend until smooth. Add a tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a cup of cold water. Blend again and serve with ice cubes. 5. Peach Smoothie. Peaches are excellent for eye health due to their high vitamin A content, which helps protect the retina and improve night vision. Rich in vitamin C, they reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, lowering the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science shows that peach consumption can reduce inflammation in the eyes and improve overall vision health. Blend 1 chopped ripe peach, a cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of honey, and a cup of cold milk until smooth. Add ice cubes if desired. This refreshing and sweet drink is perfect for breakfast or as a snack. 6. Melon Smoothie. Melons contain essential nutrients that support eye health. Their high vitamin A content protects the retina and improves night vision. Melons also have abundant vitamin C and beta-carotene, antioxidants, that reduce oxidative damage in the eyes and lower the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A 2022 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlights melon's antioxidants' role in protecting eye health and preventing age-related vision problems. Blend a cup of fresh melon cubes, 1 banana, a cup of yogurt, and a teaspoon of honey until smooth. Enjoy this smoothie for breakfast or as a snack. It's a sweet option that supports eye health. 7. Pumpkin Smoothie. Pumpkin contains a high amount of beta-carotene. This compound converts into vitamin A in the body, which is crucial for eye health. The zinc in pumpkin improves night vision and enhances retinal function. Zinc also helps protect the retina and macula. To prepare a pumpkin smoothie, first make pumpkin puree. If using fresh pumpkin, slice it and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25-30 minutes until soft, then puree it. If using canned pumpkin puree, you can skip this step. In a blender, combine pumpkin puree, a ripe banana, milk, yogurt, cinnamon, and ginger powder. Blend until smooth. Adjust the consistency with additional milk or ice if needed. Enjoy your healthy and delicious pumpkin smoothie immediately. Bon appetit! 8. Broccoli Juice. Broccoli juice is packed with nutrients that support eye health. Its high vitamin C content reduces oxidative stress in the eyes, lowering the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Broccoli also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect retina and macula health, improve vision functions. A 2021 study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences shows the positive effects of broccoli juice's antioxidants on eye health. Regular consumption of broccoli juice is an effective way to protect your eyes and support overall vision health. 9. Grapefruit Juice. Grapefruit is rich in nutrients that support eye health. Its high vitamin C content reduces oxidative stress in the eyes. Grapefruit also contains beta-carotene and flavonoids, which protect retina health. A 2022 study published in Antioxidants highlights the positive effects of grapefruit's antioxidants on eye health. Squeeze the juice of 1 large grapefruit with a citrus juicer. Add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for a sweeter drink. Consume this refreshing and vitamin-rich drink to support your eye health and boost your energy. 10. Tomato Juice. High in vitamin C and beta-carotene, tomatoes reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, lowering the risk of cataracts. Lycopene in tomatoes is a powerful antioxidant that protects retinal cells and guards against age-related eye diseases. Wash, chop, and blend 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes with a cup of cold water and a teaspoon of olive oil. For extra flavor, add a clove of crushed garlic, a few fresh basil leaves, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth and enjoy. 11. Aloe Vera Juice. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation and redness in the eyes. Vitamins, especially C and E, in aloe vera help protect eye cells from oxidative stress. Aloe vera gel's polysaccharides and antioxidants maintain eye moisture, alleviating dry eye syndrome. To prepare aloe vera juice, wash and trim a fresh aloe vera leaf, scoop out the gel, and blend with a cup of water. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice or honey if desired. Strain the mixture and store in the refrigerator, consuming it fresh within 1-2 days. Test a small amount first to check for any allergic reactions and avoid overconsumption. We have explored drinks that contribute to eye health and how to prepare them. By regularly consuming these drinks, you can protect your eye health and improve overall visual functions. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Stay healthy and happy.